So systems are what will allow you to earn 2 to 10K per day with an online business on autopilot. In business, the only thing that matters is sales. Cash flow can cure everything. Most people are stuck spinning their wheels working in their business, trying to do the sales, trying to do the marketing, trying to create the content, trying to reach out to partners, trying to pretend to be a lawyer and an accountant and all this other stuff that you're doing online. To be honest, just like I did when I got started too. When I started, I was literally trying to do all of these things. I was wearing all the hats in the company, working in the business, shifting over to all of those different things. It becomes very difficult to work on developing the business when you are working in it on all of those things. So instead, guys, what you want to do is remove yourself, right? Take a bird's eye view, go above the company and look down and say, I don't need to reply to emails. I can pay somebody $5 an hour, $10 an hour. That got me that time back. I don't need to be doing the phone sales. My sales guys can get loaded with commission checks. If I create a system for them, I can just spend a couple weeks trying to find a salesperson, right? And then fill them in that role. And once I get them in the company and I place them in that place on the chessboard, I got all my time back. So systems are what will allow you to earn 2 to 10K per day with an online business on autopilot. And you got to follow the steps, right? You can't scale too soon. You got to put the pieces in place, develop the systems, then train your team to execute on those. And then step 6, the last step, is to scale that baby up.